Well, this weekend saw ICICI Bank declare its Q3 FY22 numbers, and the numbers were a beat on every single metric. When we look at net interest income, that grew 23.5% on a year-on-year basis, over 4.5% sequentially. PPOP also coming in higher. Core PPOP grew 25% year-on-year from 8,000 crore to breaching that 10,000 crore mark. When we look at slippages and provisions, those came down strongly, 26% plus reduction on a quarter-on-quarter as well as on a year-on-year basis. So some of these numbers looking really good for ICICI Bank, and especially the PAD that came in almost 25.5% higher on a year-on-year basis, almost 12.5% higher on a sequential basis. So strong set of numbers broadly, with core NIMs being preserved. When we look at how brokerages are now viewing ICICI Bank, well, there is very strong commentary across brokerages. Let's take a couple of them. One is CLSA. They expect the re-rating to continue for ICICI Bank. Mind you, this is a stock which has given you 50% plus returns over the last 12-month period. And CLSA expects that to continue. It's at 810 rupees broadly per share in trade just before start on Monday. And when we look at the target price which CLSA is giving, it's giving at a target price of 1125 rupees a share, and it's expecting ICICI to maintain that momentum. It is or continues to be the top pick for CLSA in the banking space. It says, or CLSA says, that it is the best in class and will continue to deliver strong set of results. Its commentary on other fronts is that the digital initiatives is what is driving volume for ICICI Bank, and it's cementing growth for ICICI Bank, and expecting that ICICI Bank will start pulling out into the leadership position in the banking sector. Kotak Bank too, or Kotak Securities rather, also has a buy rating with a target price of 975 rupees a piece. Valuations, what Kotak believes, is relatively attractive despite the strong outperformance. So a 50% plus gain over the last 12-month period, and Kotak still believes there to be some amount of outperformance there. Kotak also says that the gross and net NPLs declining by 10% quarter on quarter broadly is a strong sign for ICICI Bank. Motilal too, with a buy on ICICI Bank with a target price of 1100 rupees a piece. It believes that ICICI Bank is firing on all cylinders. Asset quality continues to remain robust, and evolution from a benchmark follower to a trendsetter is how Motilal is defining ICICI Bank. Strong definition there. And it believes that ICICI Bank is on track to deliver sustainably higher return ratios going forward. So across the board, good commentary from brokerages on ICICI Bank with a buy rating between 975 to 1125 rupees a piece. That's almost 25 to 30% plus of upside for the stock.